Heater core is out of Fiona. Not in horrible shape, really.
No, the green I thought was patina as paint.
Yep, it was.
We were thinking it looked like the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah. So it's out. There's only one super effed up stud in there, but I was able to rotate it on the screwed up stud, so it ain't so bad now.
No.
We're gonna
Figure it out. I don't know.
check see if vendors have
Okay, so
a new one,
finding it here. Let me just do a search for the part number.
and then I'm gonna see what Gary wants to go through it. Getting ready to pull the Pitman arm off. Had to modify our puller a little bit. Clearance it a little bit on the bottom. There we go. Ready to pull. Mission accomplished.